Check it out, boys. Listen, pal. You really only need one measurement to get the most beautiful specimen the world's ever witnessed, pal. Doing a 7-inch fascia, 1.25 relief, 5/8 up top. Add up all these numbers. That's going to give us 10 1/8. It's our total. But our cut is going to be 8 5/8. You got to minus 1.5 inches from this for your cutter. So that'll be 8 5/8 for the cut. Boom, run it. Fresh off the cut, popper, clipper. Line that up for 5/8 hem. Boom, fall through. Right back into the braid. Have a look here. We know this front edge is 5/8. So if I line that line up with that, boom, that's 1.25 inch bend right there, boys. Boom, 90. Boom, pop it. Swing her back in. 5/8 hem. Fall through. Pop it, set it up top. This line of the brown onto the white, showing you where your 5/8 is. But it snips up in there. Boom. Just a little clip directly on that line. That front edge in. You can see how I'll pinch this, line this one up. And then at that far end, boom, my snip mark. 90. Hem top relief, hemmed bottom. It's not going to go California surfer on you, pal. Whipped up 5 of these. Only had to make 5 measurements for the initial cuts. Carry on.